Hello, beautiful people. I am taking this right here and I'm going to flatten this little guy out right here and make some of these. Let's get started. So I cut off this part and that's like the little end right there. And then what I'm doing is just cutting off this at kind of a diagonal. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to end up that way. It's going to end up like a flower, so it's going to be really pretty. I've hot glued 7 toilet paper strips together, just like so. And as I cut them diagonally, I haven't done any kind of a pattern. They're all kind of different sizes and shapes. And I've just cut them off and hot glue them. Oh, sorry. Hot glue them right at the top. And then all I'm going to do is, now that that is all hot glued together, I'm just going to pull it around. And then right here is where I'm going to hot glue it. And what's going to come out is this little guy right here. And it's so pretty. And it's very 3D. It comes, oh, I love it. And I've done hot glue, toilet paper roll stuff before, and I've spray painted it. This is very different than what I did before, and it's, wow, it's really pretty. This is a creation that I did that I didn't know if it was going to work, but I'm really, really, really liking it. So let's move on to the next step. I have my toilet paper rolls done, just like that, these 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some more of these jute twine flowers, where you just take the jute twine and put it, like, wrap it around your fingers a few times until you get the consistency that you want, and then cut it off and like this. And then of course take another piece, put it, tie it, and it ends up just like that. And then you kind of spread it out a bit and put it just like so. And I'm going to be placing these guys with the jute twine just right in the center of these. And once I get that finished, I'm going to be right back to show you what it looks like. I have this deer here from Christmas time, and I'm going to take 3 little pieces off, just like so. And I'm going to place each little part right here in the center of each flower. And that way it's going to give it just that little pop of color.